That's okay. 2 videos in the show. The engine's in the back, folks. That's a nice car. A Chevy, huh? Wow. That's a long car. Another Corvette. With 59? I like this one. A GTO. And it's a stick.
No, but 65s have
A 71.
Yeah.
Yeah, he needs to learn. Yes, exactly. Shit. The
They're
tires,
similar,
the tires
but
and rims
the trim
on
is
that
what's
car are
different.
worth more than the fuck.
A nice Mustang. A nice Mustang.
He bought those rims. Good tires on. The tires were good, so I got this tire.
Wow, that engine. Wow. Okay, we still have more.
You know what I mean?
No, I know. I'm aware.
That's what I'm saying. And I have to
$3 for lemon juice? That's ridiculous. Oh, wow. Look at this one.
Yeah, no, you know when it's up.
How you been, Daddy?
Wow. There we go. There's no truck. Needs a paint job. Really needs a paint job. Ooh, I like this one. A 68? Not bad.
I like the headlights you changed too.
Camaro SS.
For your insurance. Okay. So we have told patients before, we're like, figure out your 24-hour nurse plan and call them.
Open to a side into it.
You knew somebody was late. They could
I was looking at that, right? Like, just you can
An old Corvette. I mean, Mustang. Sorry. I know my cars.
Well, I haven't decided yet.
Oh wow, this one's got a blower hanging out. It's a 57.
I feel like we went down one too many. I could be wrong though.
No.
74 Corolla.
I was just like when
A Mustang? Huh. Trying to show you the Corolla. It's a really nice car. And then there's the Mustang. It's an automatic. I could drive something like that. An old Corvette.
Thank you.
Wow. Oh, the purple one. Anybody like purple? I like the interior, it's nice. A 1940, huh? See? There's more cars over here. And we're not gonna make the other show. Damn it. Anyway. Fuck. Got here late, so. We got a couple more cars down here. And we gotta turn around and go back. Anybody likes the new Dodges? I could tell both of these are newer. I'm not really into them. There's some older ones right here. We're gonna check these ones out, and then we'll walk back towards the other ones that are behind me.
There you go. 54 Chevy.
This car's from Texas. Wow. The GTO. Really? I know these is not part of the show, but I want to get them anyway because they're nice. Okay, let's go back down this way. How you doing, Joseph?
Good.
Yeah, that car is from Texas. Wow. The car came a long way, didn't it? Wow. I'm not really a fan of these ones. Really not. A BMW. I'm not really a fan of these Camaros. Because I like the older cars. Thunderbirds, that's what these are.
Get all the way in. It's kind of hard to look. You're young kids. Back in the old days, we were big. One hand here. Now one up here. Now look over at mom, and you're driving. Do you want to get in?
No.
He's next.
No, thank you.
Oh, he's scared too?
No, I'm not.
Oh, he's like you. He's scared.
Okay. It's hot today.
I just finished the laundry.
Yeah, I did too. And then I got my coffee shop. Yay!
Another 57 Chevy. I want to check this one out. Another Mustang. Joseph, you need to stay with me, please. Stick. Another Mustang. Another 350. Okay, let's go this way. There's a food truck right here. We gotta get out of the way.